here at 719 Boylston Street, just entering the unit. On your left is going to be an office or storage area. And then on your right is going to be a closet. Next to the closet is washer dryer. And then as we move along the hallway, we're going to have our first full bath. To our right is the heating cooling system, along with the video intercom. And then the kitchen. Updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances. And then your living area. We'll move back here to get a better look at the kitchen. Just on our left is going to be the first bedroom. Closet, nice space. And then on our right is the second bedroom. Nice sized closet here as well. And then the bath.